Welcome to our tax and accounting channel. Today we are going to deal with the important question of what to do if you cannot pay your tax bill. My name is Gary Massey. I am a CPA and the owner of a tax and accounting firm focused on the needs of small businesses and small business owners. I help taxpayers to save taxes and to stay out of tax trouble. So what does a person do if they cannot pay their tax bill? There are two steps to keep in mind. Step number one, in order to negotiate with the government, you have to be in tax compliance. That means that you have filed all of your tax returns and made all of your tax payments. For example, if you are an employee, you have to have paid your taxes through withholding from your paycheck. If you are a business owner, and you have an income tax bill related to that, you have to have made your quarterly estimated tax payments throughout the year. And lastly, if your business has payroll taxes, you have made all of your payroll tax deposits and filed all of your payroll tax returns throughout the year. In addition, the government will only negotiate with you if you have filed your past 6 years of tax returns. I am recording this video in 2020. That means that the tax returns for the years 2014 through 2019 have to be on file with the government before the IRS will negotiate with you in 2020. If you cannot afford to pay your taxes, please do not make the mistake of thinking that it's better to not file at all. That is not true, because the government will not negotiate with you if the tax returns are not on file with them. In addition, if you do not file a tax return, it will add penalties onto your total tax bill. The IRS will charge you 5% per month, up to a maximum of 25%, and that will get added onto the taxes due. In addition, make sure that you pay the most current tax bill first. Then we will go back and resolve with the government the back taxes. Step number two, we identify which of the options are best available to you to negotiate with the government. There are three options that are typically available. Number one is we get our client deemed uncollectible with the IRS. That means that the IRS determines that the taxpayer is not able to afford to pay the tax, and therefore all collection activities will cease until your situation changes. The second option that is available is to enter into an installment agreement with the government. There are a number of agreements available to you based upon your facts and circumstances. But in essence, what will happen is the tax will be divided over a period of years, and you will have that time to pay your taxes without worrying about any further enforcement action. And then the last choice is an offer in compromise, where we negotiate for you to lower the amount of the tax, often significantly. You agree to pay that lower amount on the condition that you will stay in tax compliance and pay all of your taxes for the next 5 years. I hope you have found this video to be useful. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also please leave your comments below. I make every effort to address all of those comments. If you would like more personalized attention, either call my office and ask to speak with me personally, or click on the link below to go to our website, where you will see a link to leave us an email. And I make every effort to address all of your questions that way. Thank you very much for joining us today, and I look forward to seeing you next time.